These are the updated key events of the Russian and Ukrainian war in day 150, 23rd July 2022. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov confirmed that the high-precision attack launched by the Russian Airspace Forces on a provincial base of 406th Artillery Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces deployed in Apostolovo, Dnepropetrovsk region eliminated 200 soldiers, 9 artillery guns, and military equipment. The Russian artillery attack on a position of nationalist Donbas group deployed near Verkhovenskoye led to the elimination of over 60 militants. The attack launched by the Russian tactical aviation of Russian Airspace Forces led to the destruct 50% of the personnel for the 2nd Battalion of 14th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine. Tactical and military operation aviation, missiles forces, and artillery continue to attack military facilities in Ukraine. The list of the neutralized targets include 12 command posts, 4 missiles, artillery, and ammunition depots near Nikokorov, Donetsk People Republic, and Nikolaev, as well as 226 areas of concentration of manpower and military equipment. Other things, Russian anti-aircraft shot 11 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Topolskoye, Dmitrovka, Novaya Glinitsa, Malaya Kamishevka, Balishe Prohody Kharkov region, Tornovye Body, Kalifnovka, Nikolaev region, Surupinsk, Kherson region, Kharziz, and Kharlovka, Donetsk People Republic. A total of 260 aircraft and 144 helicopters, 1,600 unmanned aerial vehicles, 3,057 air defense missile system, 4,146 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 763 multiple rocket launcher system equipped combat vehicles, 3,185 artillery guns and mortars campaigned, and 4,453 special military equipment were destroyed during the operation. According to Ukrainian authority, informed that 221 Russian aircraft destroyed in day 150. Putin also lost 188 helicopters and 1,708 tanks, an anti-aircraft welfare system, 253 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,820 vehicles, fuel tanks, 867 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 15 boats.